A pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. So it is also called point to variables. What is the difference between pointer and the normal variable? Pointer is just like another variable. The only difference is it stores the address of another variable rather than a value. For example, here var is a normal variable and the value of this normal variable is 50 and the address of the variable is 1001. This is about the normal variable. Now ptr is a pointer variable and it holds the address 1001. This 1001 is the address of the normal variable. The pointer own address is 2047. So this pointer variable is used to store the address of the normal variable var. So a normal variable has a memory address of 1001 and it holds the value 50, and ptr is a pointer variable. Its own address is 2047 and it stores 1001, which is the address of the normal variable. How to declare a pointer? So this is the syntax to declare a pointer. Mention the data type, then asterisk followed by pointer name. It ends with semicolon. This is a syntax to declare a pointer. One example is given here. Integer, int is the data type. Integer is the data type of the pointer, and then ptr is the name of the pointer. It should be preceded with asterisk. So ptr is the name of the pointer variable in which address of the another variable is going to be stored. This asterisk tells the compiler that the identifier ptr is a pointer variable. So to declare a pointer, use this asterisk operator. How to initialize a pointer? See, for pointer declaration, you have to use this asterisk symbol, and for initialization, you have to use this ampersand operator, and operator. Okay, what are the uses of a pointer? First one is you can access the address of the variable. Second is you can access the value of the variable. So by using this pointer concept, you can access both the address of the variable as well as the value of the variable. So how to access the address of the variable? You have to use this AND operator. So by for accessing the value of the variable, you have to use this asterisk operator. Okay, so AND operator is also known as address of operator, and this asterisk operator is also known as valued address operator. Okay, this is an example program to demonstrate the AND operator. Preprocessor directive, then it starts with the main function, then variable declaration. Here num is the name of the variable and the value of the variable is 10. See here the details are given. Num is the name of the variable, that is variable name, and the value of the variable is 10 and address of the variable is this one. So now we are going to display this address by using this ampersand operator. Ampersand operator is also known as address of operator. Now this is variable declaration. Num is a variable name. The data type of the variable is integer and the value of the variable is 10. Now if you want to print the value of 10, you have to use the syntax %d. For integer data type, you have to use %d. So if you give value of the variable number is %d, comma num, it will print the value of variable. That is, you will get the output as 10. See the output, value of variable num is 10. What is the second printf statement? Address of variable num is %p, comma ampersand num. So this is the syntax for pointer, and ampersand symbol is used to display the address of the variable. So ampersand operator is used to display the address of the variable. So if you give ampersand followed by the variable name, it will give the address. So you will get address in the output. So this is an example program to demonstrate this AND operator. AND operator is also known as address of. So you can access the address of the variable by using this ampersand operator. Next one, if you want to access the value of the variable, you have to use this asterisk operator. So this is an example program. So first a preprocessor directive, then followed by main function. X is the name of the variable and the value of the variable is 20. Now this is a pointer declaration. For pointer declaration, you have to use this asterisk symbol, and then the pointer is initialized with this ampersand symbol, and then first printf statement states that memory address of x is %p /n comma ptr. So what is the output? It will give the address of the variable x. Now if you want to display the value of the variable, you have to use this asterisk symbol. So asterisk symbol is used to access the value of the variable. In the previous program, we used ampersand operator, AND operator, to access the address of the variable. Now here, if you want to access the value of the variable, you have to use this asterisk operator. So by using this pointer concept, you can access both the address of the variable as well as the value of the variable. So for address, you have to use AND operator, and for the variable, you have to use asterisk operator. Okay, let me summarize the pointer concept. A pointer is a variable that stores the address of the another variable. So pointer is also just like another variable. The main difference is it stores address of another variable rather than a value. So what are the uses of a pointer? Pointer is used for accessing the address of the variable. It is also used for accessing the value of the variable. To access the address, you have to use this AND operator, and to access the value of the variable, use this asterisk operator. Assignment for this lecture pointer, you have to predict the output of the following C program. See, I have given a C program using this pointer concept. As I already told you, pointer is a variable which holds the address of another variable, right? Now, here in the example program, the name of the variable is x and the value of the variable x is 20 and the address is given here. Now you have to predict the output of the following program. Totally how many printf statements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 outputs you have to write. So go through the program, predict the output of the C program. Thank you, students.